Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about Noem.ai, a tool that uses AI to help business sell, provide support and even book calls automatically. So if you run a business online or if you do marketing, you know how important it is to respond to your customer fast. So this tool can save you a lot of time and it can help you to make sales and give your customers a better experience. I will explain how it works, why it is useful and also how you can get it through AppSumo at a very lower price. So stay with me till the end of this video. So what is Noem.ai basically? Simply, it is an AI chatbot platform. You can use it on your website, social media or messaging apps to talk to your customers automatically. Then AI can answer questions, provide information, suggest product and even schedule call or meeting. Basically, it works like a sales or support team, but it's automated. And present time, Noem.ai is improved a lot. The AI is smarter, it can understand question better and it can personalize answers for each customer. So you can also integrate with other tools you already use like calendar, email or CRM system. So this makes it very easy to manage everything from one place. Even if you are a beginner, you can just set it up in a simple way and you don't need any coding skills. The biggest advantage of Noem.ai is that it saves time and can increase sales. Instead of answering every message manually, the AI responds instantly. This is important because customers often leave if they don't get any answer quickly. And then the AI can also recommend product, suggest service or schedule the calls, which can bring more revenue without extra work. And of course, there are pros and cons. The pros are very clear: AI automated, easy setup, better custom engagement and integration options. But the con is that sometimes AI may not fully understand very complex questions, but for most small business and beginners, it works really well. Now let's talk about the pricing. So on the official website, Noem.ai has a monthly or yearly plan. So in every single plan you buy, it can get expensive if you want to use it for long term. But there is the best part. Through the AppSumo, you can get the best deal and you can get it for a lifetime deal. So you just pay once and you can use it for long time and even for your lifetime. So there is no need any monthly or yearly fees. So if you plan to use AI chatbot regularly to sell, support or booking calls, this lifetime deal is a huge saving. So in conclusion, Noem.ai in this time is an excellent tool for any business that wants AI powered chatbot without complicated setup. It can help sell product, it can improve fast support and even book appointment. And using the AppSumo lifetime deal is the smartest way to get it in a very lower cost at the normal subscription. So check the description below this video, click the special link to grab this lifetime deal now. This is a tool that can really improve your business workflow and save you time. So that's all for today. It was the review on Noem.ai on Easy Access team and thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.